started as a beautiful ride to work doesn't end so beautifully.
Here it goes, right here. Mother.
God, Becky, look at her face. It is so big. Her face.
Look at the handlebars. You can see it's twisted.
Who understands those rap?
I had to ride the rest of the way like that. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. Went through the speed bump and everything. Look at the handlebars, yeah.
So big. I can't believe it's so round. It's like out there. I mean.
Oh. Yo, I think I broke my collarbone. I was like, oh. I hate that ER. I gotta go to the ER. My collarbone is popping out of my neck. I fell off the bike. I gotta go to the ER.
Good job, you crash test dummy.
All right, y'all. So we're ready to go in for surgery for clavicle fractures, bone sticking out right there. So October 16, 2000, October 16, 2024. All right, they're going to be putting me under and everything. Let's see. Right now, I'm getting ready to register in for the surgery preparation. Here we are. All right, let's get it. I'm getting ready to run the gown. In the hospital room right now, bucket naked.
Cyberpunk 2024.
Hey. Hey. So I got a plate with eight screws connecting the clavicle from the sternum to the shoulder bone. One of the biggest important bones in the body, the one that pretty much connects to this side of the arm to this side of the body. Surgery, it was bones sticking out my neck. Recovery. Oh, this is a lot of fun. But I'll be up and at him soon. I'm losing. I think I've taken too many pain pills. Cautious. I was able to do the bed. Check that out. All right, so I had the surgery done Wednesday. So Thursday, Friday, today is Saturday. So it's about day 5, I would say. It's a surgery. Broke my clavicle last Friday. Slipped on some debris left over from Hurricane Milton. I'm doing better. I was able to make the bed and do stuff like that and whatnot. So now I'm just watching some polish shits. What a joke, man. This whole government stuff. What a joke. I can't. Hey! All right, so
Oh man, I look like Frankenstein.
everything's pretty good. It's looking all right. It's still swollen. It's really hard right here. I thought that I was gonna be crippled, have limited mobility and all that. I was worried. Looks like I'll be all right, guys. All right, y'all. So this is my second follow-up visit. This one's gonna be for the third one. They think that it's healing up very nicely. The scars. So yeah, there we go. All right, so it's my first day going back to work. Looking forward to it. I'm getting a little restless and attentive inside. You know what I mean? All right.